There is no doubt that there's money being made on Amazon KDP with simple coloring books. Just pop over to Amazon, kids coloring books, ages 2 to 4. This bestseller, simple and big coloring book for toddler. It has a BSR of 159. It is independently published and it is 102 pages. So a BSR of 159 over at the tckpublishing.com Amazon book sales calculator is 491 sales per day. Take the list price and the 102 page count over to the printing cost and royalty calculator, and you get an estimated royalty of $1.44. Again, that's $1.44 royalty for 491 books sold per day. That is a simple calculation of $1.44 times 491 is $707.04 a day. Now let's take a quick look inside and focus on simple. Simple and big coloring book for ages 1 to 4 for toddlers. You can see inside this book and you can see that it is big and it is very simple. There's a bunny, there's a car, there's a heart, and then if you see the back of the book, you see a cactus, a castle, a dinosaur, an elephant, a cupcake, and a unicorn. Now, the title of this video was How to Create, Publish, and Sell Your Own Coloring Books on Amazon KDP. Self-Publishing Titans has created the coloring book maker with over 5,000 elements to include animals, like you can see here, where this says bunny, and you have the ability to add text. And in those text options, just like in Canva, you have the ability to add or set the effects. And in this case, I could make that hollow and create letters that could be colored. But real quick, go back to categories and simply just drill down into the animals categories: alligators, crocodiles, ants, armadillos, bears, bees, birds, buffaloes. And the thing here too is inside of categories, they also have the ability, or they have also added the elements to give you the ability to create something a little more complex if you think that is too simple and you don't want to just, and you shouldn't just straight up copy that other coloring book. As you can see here, here's a background and here is a rabbit. Here he's jumping in the air. Here he is jumping a little closer to the ground, but you can see that there are flowers, there are clouds. And again, all of that is right here. You can see I just went to landscapes, and then inside of landscapes, I simply just picked the landscape that I wanted, and I could easily just delete that landscape and pick another one. If I wanted to use this landscape, I would simply just select it. Then you can see I could bring that landscape, and of course then I can use the options here to bring that bunny forward, and now that bunny is on that landscape or mirrored together with that landscape, as well as I can group. And then when I group them together, again, drag and drop just like in Canva, but the elements are done for you. And you can see here, I've created something just that quick, just that simple, where I've created a coloring book page, and all I do is continue along doing the same drag and drop inside of the Self-Publishing Titans coloring book maker. There is a link in the description. It'll take you over to a sales page. It looks something like this. And you can see here you get 5,000 coloring elements, 150 categories, 100% hand drawn. You get lifetime access. You can see all the elements and categories here, as well as you can see information from the creators of Self-Publishing Titans and this tool and many of the other tools and exactly what is included. But the point is, it's just that simple to drag and drop. All the categories here, you can pick from dinosaurs, dragons, landscapes, nature, objects, more patterns and backgrounds, SeaWorld, even some Bible verses here, and animal words. So for example, if you wanted to go back to this page with the bunny and you didn't like that text for whatever reason, and you wanted to grab one of these right here, you could simply grab this where they have written out rabbit in a little different font that you may like better, and you simply just resize that the way you like it. And then you have something, again, unique, where you have created a simple coloring book page where you add in more pages. Again, that other coloring book that sells 490 or 491 copies a day and makes $700 a day is simply just what I've showed you here that you can do inside of the coloring book maker from Self-Publishing Titans. This is how you can simply get started and try to get into the world of selling coloring books over at Amazon KDP, because there definitely is opportunity. Of course, there is competition, but you can compete with this simple tool. Link in the description. Check it out. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later.